Students, our topic for today is sense organs. We have five sense organs. They are eyes, ears, nose, tongue, which are on the face. And the skin is the fifth sense organ, which is found all over our body. How does these sense organs help us? Sense organs help us to know about the world around us. Eyes. Eyes help us to see. We can see things around us with the help of our eyes. We see their colors and shape. You can see this pencil in my hand with the help of your eyes. Your eyes help you to watch television, to read as well. The next sense organ is ears. Ears help us to hear. It helps us to hear different sounds around us, like the school bell, music, or somebody calling you by your name. You can hear the sound of the bell with the help of your ears. Moving to the next sense organ, that is nose. We smell through our nose. The smell of different things, that is good and bad, like food, flowers, medicine, garbage, etc., can only be known with the help of the nose. Our next sense organ is tongue. We know the taste of different things like sweet, sour, bitter with the help of the tongue. Now, if I'll give you a bowl of gems. Now, when you eat these gems, the taste of the gems will be recognized by your tongue. Can you name this? It is a bitter gourd. It is bitter to taste. Our next sense organ is skin. Skin help us to feel. We can feel things by touching it. For example, hot and cold, smooth, rough, soft, hard. For example, eyes. Now, until and unless you touch this eyes, you won't be able to know whether it is cold or hot. Our next example is smooth and rough. Now, this surface of the apple is smooth to touch, whereas the scrubber is rough to touch. This can be known with the help of the sense organ skin. Example is soft and hard. Now see, this toy is soft to touch and the rock is hard. So, the skin is the largest sense organ as it covers our whole body. So, now we know that we have five sense organs. All the sense organ of our body make our life easy and comfortable. Now, moving to the next topic, that is feeling and emotion. There is a lot of feeling and emotion inside us. Everyone has a feeling and emotion. We feel different things all day long as different things happen to us. Do you know what is feeling and emotion? Come on, let's learn about it. Happy. When you feel happy, you have a big smile on your face. You feel full of energy and you also want to jump for joy. Everyone deserves to be happy. Happiness depends upon ourselves. Our next emotion will be sad. When you are feeling sad, Your smile disappears. You want to cry. Everyone feels sad some or the other time. Sadness does not last forever. It's alright to cry when you are feeling sad. Angry. When you are feeling angry, you want to scream. You want to keep quiet sometimes. Anger becomes a problem when it harms you or people around you. Excited. When you are feeling excited, you feel like your heart is racing. Everyone gets excited about different things. Making your life exciting by learning new skills. Get excited about the life. Next feeling we are going to learn is scared. When you are feeling scared, you feel to hide in a place that makes you feel safe. Feeling scared is not wrong, but it becomes a problem when it affects your daily life. Moving to the next emotion is surprised. When you are surprised, you feel happy or sad depending upon the surprise you get. Everyone loves surprises if it's good. So, here we come to the end of the chapter and let's recall what we have learned today. We have learned about the five sense organs that are eyes, ears, nose, tongue, and skin. The sense organs help us to know the world around us. Everyone has feeling and emotion like being happy, sad, angry, excited, surprised, and many more. Thank you.